In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive traffic through what's known as Web 2.0 sites or properties where you can actually create websites. Very similar to Weebly or Squidoo or Hub Pages, websites that you're pretty familiar with where you can actually create user-generated content. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few of these and then again show you a website where you can actually find sites just like them. So what we're going to do is go to yola.com. That is YOLA.com. YOLA.com. And this is a Web 2.0 site that we're going to quickly set up. So what you want to do is go to yola.com, YOLA, and then click on sign up. And they have free and paid options. Of course, we're going to go with the free options here because that's the whole theme of this series. Then we're going to go with password here and then choose create account. And now it's going to say loading Yola, and I'll probably have an email confirmation to check out soon. And if not, it's okay. We'll go back here to yola.com and it's going to ask us which one we want to go with. We want 1 gigabyte of free hosting, 2 sites, 10 megabytes of uploads, and the price is going to be free. So that's the service we want. So we're just going to go down here and click on start with free. And what we're going to do is enter the business name or keywords that we're trying to kind of approach and go after. So what we're wanting to get ranked for here is something about related to golf training. So we're going to go with golf swing basics. Improve your golf swing today. So we're going to go down here. Please pick a website category. So we're going to see if our category is available here. Let's see, health and fitness, because I'm going for this niche. If it was technology, you could choose that. Browse under other, to find that as well. And then we're going to come down here and click on build it. So after you pick your category, just click on build it. And again, if you're promoting the Amazon product, you would talk about streaming media players or golf clubs or pet feeders or whatever it is that you're talking about. And we're just going to choose build it. And it's building the site. And it'll take just a moment to go through the process. Welcome to the Yola Site Builder. Begin customizing your site. If you have a physical store, you could put that in there. Otherwise, you can just click the X and go onto your website. So here's your website. They've built a website to help get things started, and then you can kind of take it from there. And you can actually follow through with their little site builder tip as well. And this again works very similar to how Weebly works also. Alright, so let's go on here and let's go up here and let's put in the heading. If you wanted to edit that with your keywords, you would just highlight that area and choose how you want to change it. So we're going to go improve your golf swing today. We could go center justify. Take the font size down just a tad. There we go. We can make it bold. And notice here, as I'm making those adjustments, it changes it on the page. So then we can hit save. There you go, looks a whole lot better. And what we can do inside here in this section, we can actually change the banner image. And since you already created and used an image in Weebly, we could use a new one. So just choose upload a new image. And we're going to come down here and let's just go with the golf ball, the smaller image of the golf ball. So right here you can drag to move the picture. You can also, of course, resize the picture to kind of make it fit more. So we'll go with that. And let's click down here. Click on OK. It's going to modify the image. So there's our image. This image again was taken from the site. If you need to know what it is again, the letter S, the letter X as in xylophone, C as in cow, dot H, U. And you're just going to log in here and then browse for images on sxe.hu. And you'll use these images for like Squidoo. You can use it when you're doing videos. All kinds of usage that you could find for this type of material. So you just come in here and put it there and grab an image, from there, and then you can actually work with it here. So golf swing basics, improve your golf swing, um, and then edit this area will help you improve your golf game. And then on this page, you have like a little About Us page, About Us section. And we'll just come right back over here. And as far as editing this image goes, again, we'll go back and grab an image that we've saved from sxe.hu. And let's go with the putting smaller image. And again, I'm just pointing and clicking the mouse here. And right inside this section, this would be a great spot to post at least part of the article. How to fix common golf problems. And then you're just going to copy and paste the material here. And make sure you take the word wrap off, that's important, so that everything comes through as it should. So let's go down here. We can make this bold, and we're just pointing and clicking around here, highlighting this just like we're using like Microsoft Word or something like that. And I'm going to hit bold there. And we just want to put our content on there. And then we'll kind of leave it at that. And then what I'm going to do is link this up to our actual website. I'm going to copy my URL, highlight it there, click on this link button, and we're going to go to an external link, and then click on open in new window, and then click on OK. And then the next thing we can do is come right on over here, and we could put in custom HTML if we wanted to, which for that you could copy and paste in your website form code if you wanted to do that and get creative. So for that, I'm going to go on over to listwire.com, and since Yola gives us that capability, I'm going to go ahead and add it because there's nothing wrong with having your web form show up in multiple locations. So click here to log in with our account, and we're going to go right on over here to the messages, or to the prospects, and we're going to choose subscription form. And inside here we want to choose get code, and we'll grab this JavaScript coding and paste it in. And then the next thing we can do here is select categories of things that we may not want to use or work with. So you just click on that X up here, and we could delete that widget. And there's a variety of other widgets that you could put in there. You can do custom panel, you could insert images if you wanted to, or multimedia like YouTube video. So if I wanted to come over here and put in a YouTube video, I could easily do that. And let's type in golf swing tips. Golf swing lessons, let's just use that. Save. And then the next thing we want to do is come right up here, and we're going to choose save. And then publish to the web. And then we want to use the Yola subdomain. So we're going to go with Golf Swing Basics, which is the keyword. Let's see, that's called Golf Swing Basics Break 80. Okay, then we're going to click on Next. And it's publishing the website right now. So congratulations, your site has been published. And here we have our basic looking website right now. And if you refresh it here, everything should display. You've got your nice clean looking content. You've got your video down here. You've got your social buttons. Right inside here, you've got links, to get people to go to your affiliate offer. You've got your ebook, where people can actually go in there and sign up and register. So everything is all set. And then you could just go here, and this is just another place, is just copy this and then go to a site called Pingoat, O-A-T, P-I-N-G-O-A-T. And then you could actually go ahead and ping this new page if you wanted to. Or you could go to pingomatic.com. And we're going to choose golf, put the blog name, which is the website here. Put in the home page. And then where it says RSS URL, we're going to choose, leave that blank. Check all. Click send pings. And this is going to update it, and notice it'll say ping set. That's at pingomatic.com, P-I-N-G, letter O, matic.com. The other one was P-I-N-G-O-A-T. But what we just did there was ping that website, so hopefully it will get indexed in the search engines, and you'll get the benefit of having that backlink and everything going to your website. So that right there is how you use Yola. It is a free website creator software, very simple to use, and it does a really clean job. So you notice here you've got your nice article here, you've got links in there, and if we wanted to go back here and edit this some more, you definitely could. We can come in here, we could add different pages to this if we wanted to. Like we can come down here to the new page, And we could choose type if we want it to be a blog. And you could do an entire blog on Yola just like as if you were doing Weebly. So if for some reason you decide you don't want to use Weebly, you can follow the tips in this video and set up your website here and then just do all the other methods that we're talking about for traffic to this free Yola website. And so this is just one of many sites. You could also add links, like some things that might be good is like maybe add backlinks to some of your articles out there. So like we could go to one of the articles that we put on one of the article directories and put it out there. But again, it's just really flexible tool. You can go to pick a different style if you want to, edit the background. You can change, everything from like the color to, what the background's going to look like. And you'll see here, this is just a really crisp, clean, and simple website, with the content that you need on it. So it's done a really good job here, and it's something that you can certainly leverage and grow into something else. So there's on the right hand side here all the way over, you've got everything from social media aspects. You could put in social widgets on the site. You can come down here, you can do ways to communicate with your customers, forms, and there's just a lot of options here with using this. So yola.com is the solution here that I just showed you. So yola.com, Y-O-L-A, and what you're going to do is promote this through pingomatic.com after it's live, so it does get picked up, and then you're off to the races. So the next site that we want to use after going through Yola and logging out is we want to use a free website called insanejournal.com, and this is another free website right now. Just go to insanejournal.com and go over here to the left hand side and choose create your username. So we're going to go ahead and create ours. Select a password. And then put in your birthday. And then what you're going to do is go with the free account, your own journal weblog, create customized styles, and then we'll come on down here, read the terms and conditions, and then prove that you are human again. And then click on create journal. So again, this was insanejournal.com. Your journal has been created. And now we need to go to our email to validate. And we're going to click on this link to confirm. Alright, so now that we've got this set up, is we want to go over here to where it says journal and choose post. And then you can come up with different journals as well. So we're going to come right on in here and we're just going to make a short little post. And you could do either HTML or rich text. Rich text would basically let you do a little more editing like you're using Microsoft Word or something like that. So what we're going to do now is copy and paste our article right in here. And then again, just like Word, you would highlight what it is that you want to change to bold, or if you wanted to tweak the font size, all kinds of different options. And let's see, let's go right in here in this area. Let's put in an image. So just click on the image icon up there, just like if you were in Microsoft Word, and we're going to choose Upload. Browse. And it looks like with the image editor, it looks like you'll have to have a link to the actual image file. So you could put that in there if you wanted to. Otherwise, you can just skip that part of things. And we'll come down here to the end of the article, and we'll go here and type in the discover. We'll put a little more content in here. Break 80 with your golf game. And we're going to link this back to our website. Bold. And we're going to go back here to our Weebly page. Make that hyperlinked. Okay, the next thing you want to do is put in tags. So we're going to type in some basic tags here for this example. So let's put in golf swing, golf training, and any other keywords that you can think of related to your niche market. The mood of it, you can choose however you want to. Accomplished, amused, angry. Let's see, let's go down here and put accomplished. Let's see, and then we'll come on right down here and go post to training vids. Make sure everyone and it's public. Then just click on view the entry. And there you go. And then you'll notice here everything is functioning. And you should have a link that is also functioning. And if not, you can go back here to My Writings and come on in here and actually go in and edit your entry as well. So inside of Insane Journal, on the left side, click on Edit Entries. And then you can go ahead and click on Save Entry after you've made the edits that you want to make to it. So again, that is how you use Insane Journal, and it will let you get a nice backlink going to your offer. So now you can go ahead and just log out, and we'll move on to the next social media site for you to look at, and that is hpage.com. Again, just like Yola and Weebly, you can actually go here and create your free website, and it gives you a lot of options there. So HPage is another great solution for you to consider using. And another site I wanted to point out to you is called Similar Site Search. And so you just go to similarsitesearch.com. And what you're going to do inside Similar Site Search is do a search for the phrase YOLA, or you could do Weebly.com. Like I did at similar site search, I pulled up the phrase YOLA, YOLA.com, and that pulled up a variety of different sites. You've got Wix, WIX.com, Webs.com, HPage.com, Mugo.com, which that only has a 14-day trial, so you want to watch out for that. Moonfruit, they're another free website builder, but these are all free website builders, and there's 50 of them that show up here. And so if you think of it, there are 50 websites here potentially that you could create that are absolutely free. That you can set up, post your content on them, post videos on them, and do all you want with them, and just funnel traffic back, to your site and what you have going on. So it's another phenomenal source of traffic that you could tap into. So again, that's similarsitesearch.com. So that is right up here at the top. You see similarsitesearch.com, and then just type in, like Weebly.com or Yola.com, and you're going to get a whole listing of these websites that are very similar. You could also go to Squidoo.com and pull up a whole another set of them, and there's going to be quite a few examples here that'll show up. So you might find a few websites that are similar to Squidoo.com and others that are completely different, but at least it'll help you kind of get an idea as to what's out there. So use this tool, come up with these. The three ones I wanted to point out were HPage, InsaneJournal.com, and then another really good one. So HPage.com, InsaneJournal.com, and then the other one was YOLA, YOLA.com. And in another video, we're going to set up another sort of Web 2.0 blogger website, and I'm going to show you how to go about setting that one up.